As they step onto Taiwanese soil, a mix of emotions fills the air. Excitement, anticipation, and a hint of trepidation. It's the beginning of a new chapter in their lives.
Living in Taiwan for almost 17 years made me see how amazing the Taiwanese government and Taiwanese people are towards the foreigners who are living here in Taiwan, trying to live here. As for the job opportunities, I think, as for me, I decided to be a full-time mom because I quit my job as an English teacher, and instead of being a full-time mom, I became an online media. So there are a lot of job opportunities here in Taiwan. The only thing that one should do is to do your best and look for your passion. And of course, you have to learn the language so you can communicate well.
From language barriers to unfamiliar customs, the initial days are a challenge. But the Filipino spirit shines through as they adapt, learn, and create a sense of community. Through their warmth and genuine smiles, Filipino migrants forge connections with the local Taiwanese community. These bonds transcend borders and language, reminding us of the power of human connection.
If we talk about the safety in the country, I can't compare. I've been to several other countries, but for me, in my heart, when we talk about safety, I feel at home in Taiwan.
But we are all in good condition here in Taiwan. So all we can say is we love Taiwan and we want to stay here in Taiwan to work.
In factories, offices, and various industries, Filipino migrants pour their heart and soul into their work.
President Marcos orders the Foreign Affairs Department to ensure the safety of Filipino workers in Taiwan.
In terms of difference in the culture, like for example, if we have culture shock, we share our sentiments, and then because of that, we try to cope up with all our trials and circumstances here in Taiwan. And in time, we become better and stronger in a foreign land. But now, not only a foreign land, but our second home.
These connections remind us that no matter where we come from, our shared humanity binds us together and makes us fly as migrant birds.